What's the right Google Ads campaign structure for SME lead generation? So you want to run Google Ads for your SME and you're not sure how to structure it? Let me walk you through the architecture we actually use. There are 4 campaign types you want layered together, and the key is phasing them in over 90 days, not launching everything at once. The first one is brand search, always on, maximum impression share priority, captures your warmest traffic at the cheapest cost. The second is non-branded search, tightly segmented by buyer intent. This is your main conversion engine and needs strict negative keyword discipline. The third is retargeting, display and video ads to past visitors who didn't convert. It's cheap and efficient. And the fourth is PMAX, but added last with proper controls, brand exclusions, deliberate asset groups, weekly oversight. So here's a quick win for today. Map your current campaign structure. If you have one bloated campaign trying to do all 4 jobs, you've found your problem. How long should I run Google Ads before judging the results? Wondering when your Google Ads campaign is actually ready to be judged? Let me give you the honest answer. For individual campaign level decisions, you need around 30 days minimum of clean data. For account level ROAS judgments, the minimum is closer to 90 days. Anything earlier than that and you're reading noise and not signals. Here's the trap most business owners fall into. They check ROAS at day 14 days, panic at the negative number and start making major changes. Those changes reset the smart bidding learning. And 3 weeks later, they're back to day 1 with even worse data. The accounts that succeed are the ones that resist making changes during the learning period. Patience is genuinely the most underpriced discipline in Google Ads. So here's a quick win for today. Set yourself a 30-day no-change rule on any new campaign you launch. Just collect data. Don't touch anything. And watch what happens. Why aren't my Google Ads generating leads? You're spending money on Google Ads and the leads aren't coming through. Well, let me tell you the 3 most common reasons. The first one is a single bloated campaign trying to do everything. Brand terms, non-brand terms, retargeting, display, all mixed together. The data becomes unreadable and smart bidding can't optimize properly. The second is missing negative keywords. Most accounts add fewer than 5 negatives a week. Around 30 to 50% of typical Google Ads waste comes from this single discipline gap. The third is brand cannibalization, especially from PMAX. PMAX bids on your brand terms, claims credit for conversions you would have got for free, while inflating your reported numbers and burning your budget. So here's a quick win for today. Pick whichever of those 3 sounds most like your account. Fix that one first. Don't try to fix everything at once. How long does it take to see ROI from Google Ads? Wondering when Google Ads will actually start paying back? Here are the real numbers from properly structured SME accounts. Most accounts hit break-even somewhere between 45 and day 60. Predictive positive ROI tends to kick in between day 75 and day 90. If you're not seeing this trajectory, 2 things are usually wrong. Either the campaign structure is broken, like a single bloated PMAX doing everything, or the conversion tracking is incomplete, like counting unqualified leads as conversions and letting smart bidding optimize more towards of that same quality of leads. Here's the bit nobody mentions. Earlier than day 45 is unusual and probably means you got lucky on the baseline data. Later than day 90 means the architecture of tracking needs fixing first before you scale further. So here's a quick win for today. Calculate your true break-even ROAS from real margin data, not the dashboard number. Then compare to the ROAS target you're actually set. The gap is often the issue. How do I scale Google Ads without breaking what's working? That's a great question. To scale a campaign without destroying the performance, here's the most common rule. Increase budget by 20% per week at the most. Anything bigger than that and you trigger another smart bidding learning phase, which means you reset the progress you just made. The second rule is to add new campaign types only after the existing ones have been stable for 30 days or more. Stable means consistent CPA, consistent conversion volume, consistent ROAS, not just one good week. The third rule is to measure incremental performance, not just attributed conversions. Especially when you add PMAX, the attributed number always looks good. The incremental number tells you whether the new spend is actually growing the business or just stealing credit from other channels. So here's a quick win for today. Look at any campaign you scaled in the last 30 days. Did you add more than 20% in any single week? If yes, your smart bidding probably reset. Pause the scaling for 14 days and let it stabilize. Hope this helped. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, follow and subscribe.